Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to remove WordPress from Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Cpanel and click on Softaculous apps installer, and then click on all installations, and here we can see my WordPress has been installed right now. So I'm going to click on this remove and scroll down, then click on remove installation. Okay, and here we can see removing WordPress. The installation was removed successfully. So this is how we can remove WordPress from our Cpanel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.